Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY WH-CH510 headphones and I'm going to show you all ways to charge your headphones. The first and the easiest way is just USB Type-C cable, which is plugged straight into your power brick. You just have to plug this cable straight into your headphones power cable. And as you can see, they are charging. The second way is to charge your headphones using your phone. To do so, you have to prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable, which is over here. Now you have to plug your cable straight into your headphones and then your phone. And as you can see, our headphones are now charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.